Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Back out here on the water. I'm out here at Eastman Lake. This lake is known as a trophy lake. You can only keep one fish over 22 inch. I don't recommend keeping those fish. Just release them back. We just had a big rainstorm yesterday. Water's pretty muddy. Man, tough condition. Bluebird skies. I'm just gonna get out here and see if I can figure something out. Man, there's not much water left in this lake. So you guys can see there's some good humps with trees, brushes, rock piles. I mean, this lake can be really good when the water's high in the summertime. You find those offshore rocks and you just throw a jig or Texas rig something and crawl it around these rocks. Man, hang on, man. There's some fish down there. Let's see. You guys think that's a thermocline fish or what? Kind of hard to tell. They look like fish though. All right, made it to the dam. That was a short run. And the fish are either going to be in the deepest part of the lake, or since it rained last night or yesterday all day, it might be all the way in the back river. So we're going to start on this end. See if we can't get bit. Hopefully I don't get hung up. The water's pretty dirty, so let me switch over to maybe a black and blue. Here you go. Black, blue, purple, chartreuse. I don't think I have a trailer to match it though. Guess I'm gonna have to go with this. Not sure what happened to my audio, but I finally made it to the back river. Started off flipping the black and blue jig around these trees. Eventually, I switched over to the spinnerbait, threw that around, nothing. There was one thing I thought was kind of odd that I noticed back here. So I'm all the way back here where the river is supposed to flow in, but I don't see no water flowing in anywhere. Just thought that was kind of weird, especially after all the rain we got yesterday. Well, it's been pretty tough. Got maybe an hour left to fish. I'm gonna go back out there to the main lake and hopefully find some deep rock piles and just keep dragging that jig. So I finally made it towards the dam. Spent a little bit of time graphing in that 15 to 25 foot of water, and I found a pretty good rock pile sitting in the middle of a channel. And this is literally the first cast towards that rock pile. Man, it feels good to finally set the hook. Took me all day. Not a big one, but I'll take it. Using a 1/2 ounce Temp custom lures football jig in black and blue with the green pumpkin trailer. So if you guys are planning to go out there this weekend, the bite should be a little better. The weather has been warming up this whole week. I'd recommend just focusing pretty much the same depth, 15 to 25. Just throw something black and blue and crawl it around those rocks. If you guys like this fishing report, please hit that like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you guys know what's wrong with my audio, please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.